Well, what a year it's been in 2024. I don't think I've ever remembered a year like this as being an office holder with NFU Cymru. We started in the new year, of course, with all the upheaval regarding the SFS consultation. We had thousands of farmers that came to our roadshow events. We had over 6,000 responses from NFU Cymru members through our portal, and I thank you very much for that. And we ended the day before the consultation finished with 5,500 wellies on the steps of the Senedd, just to demonstrate the impact, according to impact assessment of Welsh Government. One journalist told me it was one of the most impactful pieces of lobbying he's ever seen in his 30-year career. The spring of 2024 was quite significant because there were changes of First Ministers. We had a new Cabinet Secretary responsible for our rural affairs. It was a time that we were able to share our vision, long-term vision for the industry, conscious of the facts we needed to design our own sustainable farming scheme here in Wales. All the shows that we had over the summer months, the party conferences that we attended as well, they were huge opportunities for us to be able to get in front of politicians and make sure that our message was heard loud and clear. One of the highlights of the year for me has always been the celebration of Welsh food and farming. It's a long week of events that we hold. Over 20,000 school children were involved in one of the days where we were able to take the children into the farmyard, which was very significant, and ending up with a day down in the centre of Cardiff, engaging with people in the city, sharing out pieces of food as well, and just getting them to sign the pledge, secure the future of Welsh farming. One of the most difficult periods during the year was the time that the Chancellor announced in the autumn budget regarding the removal of inheritance tax reliefs. This has caused so much worry for farming families across the country and the impact it's going to have to transfer the assets to future generations. Tom Bradshaw met with the Prime Minister, and we're still awaiting a response. The simple ask, all they need to do is to pause, to consult and to undertake an impact assessment of the long-term implications of the removal of these reliefs. We ended the year on a positive note with the announcement from Welsh Government that the BPS has been protected for 2025, and this was a key ask for us, a minimum that Welsh Government could undertake. There has been also a slight uplift in the funding available to rural affairs. So looking forward to 2025, can I wish you well, and you and your families as well, and I can give you my commitments that anything that I can do, I will undertake that on behalf of the NFU Cymru members across this country.